Hey everybody, it's Quail Mama. We're out here in the aviary with the little birds. Hope you're having a great day. It's a pretty nice day out here overall, minus the sunshine. We're about 49 degrees. It's not raining or snowing at the moment. Not freezing. That's good. Little birds seem to be doing pretty well. I think I've got two boys out here that have shaken their leg bands. I found a yellow band, and I think Bart might have lost his band also. Getting closer to time to separate the birds. Got one more little pen to build. I think I'm going to move this white hutch over onto the other concrete patio and maybe stack some bird pens out here on the side. See how that goes. Right now we seem to be doing pretty well. Everybody's pretty happy with their seeds and lettuce and apple. Even brought them some dandelion greens. Those are gone already. Can't help but wish that it would warm up a little bit out here, so it felt like doing more in the yard. It's definitely time. Well, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Sure enjoy all the questions and the comments. Please don't forget to leave us a like or subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching. Have a super day. Bye for now.